India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Neutral Integrated Territorial Organization, in short is HITO. We are here to express the concern about the incident happened in Manipur. We urge all our brothers and sisters belong to Kuki and Meitei that please maintain peace in the state, because we have seen revenge, hate is not a solution, but the solution is only peace among ourselves. We should eat the meaning. Since all of you are here, you must remember one thing. There's a word said, blood is thicker than water. As a Northeast indigenous tribal and a citizen of the Northeast, we have to maintain this. Otherwise, revenge will lead only a difference between the two communities. We have seen in the social media and different news what happened in Manipur. But I won't pinpoint at anybody, because we have seen how the Indian government neglect our Northeast people. If the Indian government want, within a few minutes, within a few seconds, they can change and they can bring peace into Manipur. But no, they have a big heart to pass the bill of the Citizen Amendment Act. But to solve the problem in Manipur, they didn't even want to raise this issue. So we urge the Indian government to look at this matter, otherwise it will turn ugly. So we are there for our brother and sister of the Northeast. So with these few words, thank you very much. I just want to say 3 times this slogan. Kindly repeat after me. We want peace. We want. We want. We want. Thank you very much.